Hello, dear audience. We are going to introduce our kids learner Tahia. Hello, Tahia.
Hello, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm also doing great. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Tahia, what will you teach us today?
I will teach conjugation to be heard.
Well, please start.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is me Tahia. I'm a student of Social Methods learner. I'm a 4th grader and going to BMS Girls High School and College. Now I'm going to give a short presentation on conjugation to be heard. Let's get started. আমরা যখন কোনো সেন্টেন্সকে অ্যাফার্মেটিভ থেকে নেগেটিভ তখন উনিশটা ভার্বের একটাও আছে কিনা দেখতে হয়। উনিশটা ভার্ব হলো am, is, are, was, are, have, has, had, shall, will, may, might, can, could, should, must, India। যদি উনিশটা ভার্বের একটাও থাকে এরপর নট বসালে সেন্টেন্সটি নেগেটিভ হয়ে যায়। এটি সাবজেক্ট এর আগে আনলে কষ্টবোধক হয়ে যায়। For example, I'm a student, I'm not a student. Am I a student? Am I not a student? We are student, we are not a student. Are we a student? Are you not a student? You are a student, you are not a student. Are you a student? Are you not a student? You are a student, you are not a student. Are you a student? Are you not a student? He is a student, he is not a student. Is he a student? Is he not a student? They are students, they are not students. Are they students? Are they not a student? Raju is a student, Raju is not a student. Is Raju a student? Is Raju not a student?